This song is called Bitch Get in Line or Get Another Black Eye.
When we're behind the music. Which of us is going to get a drug problem? I call dibs on the drug problem.
Let's open up this pit.
Hey kids, we're Sammy G and the Jackknives, a perfectly friendly punk rock band from Harrisonburg, Virginia. Hey all you pansies underneath the fucking pavilion, come see us play.